Sports fans across Africa often identify with names like Didier Drogba, Samuel Eto'o, Victor Moses and Andre Ayew. These are some footballers from the continent who are making waves in Europe. Ghana is one of the countries known for producing top footballers from Africa. This week, however, focus was on a different sport, basketball. As a team from the NBA visited the West African state, South Sudanese-born British player Luol Deng was among the visiting party.
I think football, soccer is big. You know, obviously in Africa, it's big in a lot of European countries. You know, the reason promoting basketball is giving the kids more than one option. You know, it's just another option to. You never know where your skills, you know, where you end up. I played, you know, football, soccer growing up. I had a chance to play basketball, and I've realized that, you know. Really my talent and my gift was, you know, more towards basketball than it was football, so I pursued basketball, and this is really what we're trying to do. We're not, you know, we're not trying to compete with any other sports.
Between the legs, then go for your layup.
Like many sports in the continent, basketball struggles for a share of finances allocated to sports, which isn't a lot in many countries. This makes it hard to develop the sport.
I think we have the talent. I think the biggest thing we need to focus on coaching, promoting, and facilities. You know, I think that will help in the future. A lot of African places have the kids and have the, you know, have the talent, but it's having the facilities, you know, for these kids to work out continuously.
Deng gained British citizenship in 2006 and played for the Great Britain team at the London 2012 Olympic Games. The two-time NBA All-Star says he knows what it means to be a refugee and tries to work with charities helping such victims. He has also worked with Basketball Without Borders in Africa, Asia and Europe.
The purpose of it is promoting basketball. So we do clinics for kids, and you know, we teach basketball, teach fundamentals, and also with the coaches, we try to teach them how to approach teaching these kids for the future.
Deng currently plays for the Chicago Bulls in the NBA. Celestine Caronay, CCTV.